In today's video, I'll show you how to find the recent ads you've watched on YouTube using your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open YouTube in your browser and click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left side, select Privacy. From here, click My Ad Center. This will take you directly to Google's Ad Center page. On this page, you'll see sections like Ads You've Seen, Recent Ads, and Recent Ad Brands. Scroll through the list to view all the ads you've watched. Also, keep in mind that some ads may not appear in your history. Not every ad is available in Ad Center. It depends on whether the advertiser uploaded and published the ad properly on YouTube. Click any ad to manage your preferences. For example, you can turn off ads you don't want to see anymore, or click the plus icon if you want to increase visibility and get more ads on a certain topic. If an ad feels irrelevant or inappropriate, click the flag icon to report it. You can even pause ad personalization entirely or adjust it to better match your interests. That's it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.